Hey, I'm Sean with FLUKE. A question we often hear is, well, why do I need an insulation tester? You know, the insulation tester is designed to check the integrity of your conductor wires or check the insulation value of the motor windings or your compressor windings. We're trying to see if there's any breakdown in that could potentially cause a fault. You know, we always want to use an insulation tester in your preventive maintenance plan. This would allow you to start doing some streamlined testing, maybe some baseline testing. I would say that a recommended procedure by using an insulation tester would be to double the value of whatever you're testing. And what I mean by that is if you have a motor that's 120 volts, you would check it using 250. I'm Sean. Thanks for watching. For more tips and tricks, subscribe to our channel.